Hi there. Welcome to VIDIZMO Digital Evidence Management, DEM, a centralized solution enabling law enforcement agencies to store, manage, share, and analyze ever-increasing digital evidence collected from documents, images, bodycam, dashcams, CCTV and drones. VIDIZMO DEM provides extensive options for protecting your portal and evidence from unwanted access. In VIDIZMO DEM, security policies are preset configurations, based on common requirements including a custom option, for those who prefer to customize their settings to meet specific requirements. In this video, we will be taking a look at managing portal security in VIDIZMO DEM. You can manage your portal security by clicking on the hamburger icon on the left corner of the top menu bar, and selecting Control Panel under Admin on the menu. The security policy consists of certain preset configurations that are commonly used. Public security policy allows both registered and anonymous viewers to access the portal and view the media. Restricted security policy limits access to authorized users to access the specific portal. And hidden security policy goes further, preventing unauthorized users from being able to view or send requests to join the specific portal. Custom security policy lets you set security options according to your preferences. As a security measure, login timeout lets you set a time for inactivity after which a login automatically expires. User registration fields define certain information users need to give when registering, like their first name, last name, city, etc. You can also create custom fields that users need to fill when registering, such as emails. Using trusted domains, you can permit or prevent the embedding of your media on domains based on your privacy and security concerns. Similarly, location restriction lets you control and limit evidence playback in certain regions for privacy or security reasons. Defined locations such as countries and cities can be found under public locations, while any custom-defined locations can be found under private locations. Finally, the audit log lists every activity that occurs in the portal, such as when a user logs on, or when evidence is uploaded. You can also filter the results under options such as by a user or the activity. You can also download the logs for offline viewing. Well, that's all for this video. Check out some of our other guides to learn more about VIDIZMO Digital Evidence Management. Stay tuned until next time.